So today's kind of a different video with the homie. We're tearing down the D16Y4. How this shit going, Kev?
A little better if I can get this fucker off. There we go.
This nigga shit blew a rod just like mine. So, this nigga ain't the only one. This nigga shit. Ew.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
So what are your plans with this bitch?
Just go NA.
Fully built? Fully built NA? Fully built NA? One thing I can say, this boy do got a better trans than me. When I'm stiffing the guy, I must say cleaner, nigga, no cap. Oh shit, oh! So you got the pan off. This shit looks alright. This crank solid. Other than that right there. Still haven't got the crank out, but shooting the pistons out of the front since we can't get the crank out, so yeah. So it's the next day. We kind of lagged on it, but we got everything out. Looking pretty clean. Just not even polishing this shit. This oil pump looked pretty good.
Huh?
Nothing fucking out of the ordinary. Mine looked pretty worse than this. I had to clean mine up, but faggot. Working on this aluminum head. Y7. Thinking to go unlock the VTEC on the turbo build, or this fool's gonna use it because his shit's heavy.